Eating lunch at Blizzard Beach. I got the chicken and shrimp bowl with white rice. Then we have, what is that?
What is it? Whitewater flatbread or something like that? This is what it's called.
And then chicken and strips and fries.
Shrimp to fry.
Shrimp dip in the rice. Shrimp dip.
Can I say
Good?
to them? Can I say to them?
Say what?
The song.
Oh.
Hey, I'm on vacation every day because I love my occupation.
Is the pizza good?
Okay.
Yeah. I want to.
What's
This
it
pizza.
called?
I'll try it.
What's
I
it
don't
called,
want
Dada?
Huh?
What's it
Alright, just
called,
take-
Dada?
What's what called?
That song.
I think vacation. I don't know by who.
It's called McDonald's.
No, it's not by Tom McDonald. Walking in.
I'm sorry.
We tried to buy more.
Good job, Emma. Are you done?
They're going to find them living in groups of pairs, anywhere between 20 to about 250 pairs, without even having to wake up. They do have the ability to swim, but you're going to find for the most part they like to run or walk along the riverbed. But the Maasai giraffe is actually the patches on their coat. Their patches are very rough and jagged, and that'll help set them apart from the other species of giraffes. It looks like a few more of them out there in the distance to our right as well. So vertebrae in our necks. Both us and giraffes have 7 vertebrae in our necks. Ours